What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Deal, also known as DJ. Um, if you haven't heard the news, supposedly, reportedly, Kobe Bryant died in a helicopter crash, and honestly, I'm sitting here and like it can't be real. It cannot be real. I mean, it's one of those. It's like when Michael Jackson died. I mean, it's like it's unreal. I mean, everybody, people are human. But I, I mean, it's not on NBA TV yet. It's not on ESPN yet. I'm still flipping through the channels and things like that. Just I want to hear the official. Hey, this what happened. Report things like that. I mean, oh man, now okay, wow. I just turned to ESPN and then now I see ABC. NBA legend Kobe Bryant among five dead in California helicopter. Wow, man, I grew up in the Kobe era. I mean, I was young when Michael Jordan was playing and things like that. But high school, college, even when he retired, that was Kobe was my guy. You know, the older generation they had Michael Jordan, but Kobe was my generation. And man, I mean they got the Pro Bowl going on right now, but they flip and they went to ABC for a special report, and they showed Kobe Bryant among five. I can't say nothing. That's on. This is just. It's not real, man. Wow.